Alright guys, welcome back to another hair video. Today's video is sponsored by RecoolHair. We are going to get into this and we received a box, and guess what? The wig is inside this box, which we are going to take it out. We also received a booklet, deep wave type of curl. It is 22 inches, 13 by 4 lace, and 180 density. So there's a booklet where you guys can read, you can find your social and all of that good stuff. We got some good lace right here. As always, the wig is secure where they place it carefully in the bag or box or whatever they use to, secure it. So in this case, we have everything inside, and we have the perfect lace on this wig. Oh my god. There is a adjustable band, as you guys can see, which I love. Favorite thing is the comb at the back. This helps to secure the wig in my opinion. And yeah, there's also combs in the two side and one at the top. Now let's talk about the wig. Let's look at the curl, which is super bouncy and it feels extremely soft. Let's get into this lace. Now it is pre-plucked, but we have the perfect lace, which is also stretchable. See that? We are definitely going to go in and do a little bit of plucking, which it's not a must, but for me, I like to do that. Now the hair looks amazing. Love it. It is perfect. Like I said, it is 22 inches. We're definitely going to add some makeup to the lace because the knots are not bleached, but that's perfectly fine. I'm going to show you guys the rest of stuff that we get. Now let's see what's in the bag. Oh, we have so much stuff. Alright, let's do it. We have a bonnet right here, a comb, wig cap, clips, edge brush, edge band, I'm excited because I really do like this wig. So we're gonna tie this down. I love any lace that you can install without putting a cap on. It's the best thing. Just always take that advice because I hate to lay a cap down, okay? Too much time, feel like sometimes it moves, but when you find a lace that you can lay without using a cap, just know that you should stick to that. No caps, literally. Okay, Recool. All right, we're gonna tie this down as tight as I can, and I'm gonna let this sit for, I need to tighten the band. When I tell you this wig is snug, let's just tighten the band first. But after we tighten the band, then we are gonna yes, it's so easy, feels good, secure. Okay, right. And I tell you guys, I love the clip around the back. It is the best clip. Everything else I'll cut off because I feel like it damages your hair. Why is this so tight? I love this because it's tight. The other ones, most of them, they're too stretchy. This one is the right size. Okay, so we're gonna let this sit for a couple of minutes, and then I'll be back to do the baby hair, the favorite part and the fun part. So wait for it, and then we're gonna slay. All right, you guys ready to cut this lace off? All right, let's do this. Alright guys, I want to speak on this lace. Let me show you guys before I finish the wig. Guys, this is realistic HD lace, and I tell you, there's no cap. All I use is the spray, and it is perfect. If you guys look, so before I add the baby hair, because you know baby hair kind of give you that look, whereas the illusion, if you don't have on a good lace. But this lace is scalp. Like, I need you guys to make sure you click on this link for this wig because it is everything. Can you guys see that? I didn't bleach the knots. All I had is some foundation. No cap is underneath this. And then now we are definitely gonna make the baby hair. So the plan for this is to just kind of put some right here, not a lot. Guys, our makeup is done. I'm so excited to see how this looks. it's not deep wave, it is water wave, and it's a 22-inch 180 density 13x4 realistic HD lace front. Oh, my God. Alright, so with that being said, we're gonna have to fix a little bit. Some water. I think I kind of like it like this, low key. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go in with the hot comb again and kind of bring this side down some more. Alright guys, this is it. This is the final look. Love it. Absolutely. We're gonna get into this soon. Remember guys, first thing, thanks to Recool for this lovely hair and sponsoring this video. But guys, make sure you check the description down below because all the details of this wig will be there. Pretty simple, easy to install for yourself, so make sure you grab it and let's get into it. I should have given you the best of me.